Looking back at September, the national housing market continued to see strong demand for residential properties, and market activity picked up with freedom in sight for two of Australia's largest markets, Sydney and Melbourne. Throughout September, the national housing market continued to see strong demand for residential properties. Views per listing reached another historic high at a national level in September, alongside email inquiries to agents and developers. For the month of September, search volumes in New South Wales and Victoria have been the highest on record, despite both states being in harsh lockdown. And nationally, weekly search volumes for properties remain within 5% of their all-time high recorded earlier this year. As lockdowns continued across Australia in September, email inquiries to agents on realestate.com.au outpaced August's record high to set a new fresh high in September, jumping 14.6% over the month. With many in lockdown states unable to attend open homes, property seekers have been active on the platform. Declared interest from first home buyers and investors also hit record highs in September, with email inquiry growth of 9.7% and 7.3% on the month respectively. Declared investor inquiry is almost 150% higher year on year, sitting at the highest level since the beginning of 2019. Developer inquiry also hit a record high in September, with inquiries up almost 80% year on year. Another historic high number of views per listing was reached in September, climbing 9.3% month on month. Views per listing are not only the highest on record nationally, but new record highs have been recorded in New South Wales, Queensland, the ACT, and South Australia in September. The ongoing shortage of stock for sale, coupled with elevated search volumes, resulted in record high interest from buyers in September, indicating a continued disconnect between supply of stock for sale and elevated demand. Despite a continued lockdown, days on site also fell in New South Wales. Falls in days on site were also recorded in South Australia and Tasmania.